Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a cute notebook. So let's start drawing. First, draw a horizontal line at the top. Make a curve on the left side of the line and extend the vertical line coming down. Do the same thing on the right side. Just make the vertical line half the one on the left. Then draw an oblong shape at its end. Extend the rest of the vertical line. Then connect both lines with the horizontal line at the bottom. Draw two small vertical lines coming down from the bottom of the notebook. Connect them at the bottom with an upside down letter V to finish the bookmark. Draw a letter C coming down from the bottom left side of the notebook. Then extend the horizontal line on the other side of the bookmark and connect it to the notebook on the right side. Draw several letter C's along the left side of the notebook to make the quill binding. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the middle of the notebook, draw a large circle. Then draw two smaller circles inside for the eyes. Color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw half a circle between the eyes for the mouth. Then draw another half circle under it with a tiny line inside to make the tongue. On the top right corner, draw a circle for the sun with rays coming out of it. At the bottom right corner, draw three curves for a cloud and close them at the bottom with a horizontal line. Or you can decorate your notebook any way you want. Well done! Now you can draw a cute notebook. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light's reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.